Hi, Pat Scheper here with Apple Plumbing again, and we're going to talk a little bit about radon, what to do if the test you took comes back as greater than 4 picocuries per liter. And if you remember, the EPA has set 4 picocuries per liter as the upper safe limit for radon concentration in someone's home. Now, just real quickly, that doesn't mean if it comes back 3.9, you're okie dokie. It can fluctuate some too. So if it does come back around 4 or greater than 4, you really should do a second test just to make sure that you got a valid test. If it comes back about 3.9, well, maybe somebody opened a basement door that you didn't know about while you were doing the test and let some fresh air in and diluted the radon concentrations. You should take a second test no matter what if it comes back positive or elevated. Alright, so you take your second test and you've got radon in your house. Doesn't mean you have to run out the basement door screaming and yelling that you're going to die. It just means you need to take steps to get rid of the radon. Basically, we do this by installing a radon fan with a pipe that the pipe is connected to your the stone is actually stuck into the stone beneath your concrete floor. And then the pipe goes outside and up above your roof, and the fan basically causes a little bit of a negative pressure underneath your basement floor and around your foundation, and it draws out the gas as it is formed. We also use a sump pump pit. So if you have a sump pump pit, it gets a little bit cheaper and easier to do. And what we'll do is we'll put a sealed lid on the sump pump pit and then stick the radon pipe into that, and then the fan goes on the pipe and it goes outside, and then it uses your what we call your subsoil drain, your foundation drain, to cause a negative pressure and pull the radon gas out. The fan does run all the time. The fan has on it what we call a manometer, and as you can see, you have it. This just shows the difference in air pressure in the basement and pressure in the fan or in the exhaust pipe, and lets you know that it's working. The fan it's just got a very, very small motor on it, somewhere in the order of 1/40th of a horsepower. So it uses very, very little electricity, almost negligible. And very easy, and you stick it in and off it goes. And after a few days, you want to leave it that fan run for a week or so, and then take another radon test just to make sure that it's working. And that, in a nutshell, is how we get rid of radon.